subscribe to our channel.
11 natural products to help you slim down fast. 1. Bladderwrack. This is a marine plant and, like many other algea, it has a high concentration of iodine and mineral salts, such as potassium, bromine, magnesium, calcium, and iron, among others. Such a high concentration of iodine helps stimulate the body's thyroid functions, which can help combat obesity. 2. Corn silk. Corn silk are those fine threads that wrap around corn cobs, and are also known as corn stigmas or corn hair. This part of the vegetable is one of the most important natural diuretics and cleansers nature has to offer, and it also possesses other beneficial properties that can help you drop pounds quickly. 3. Artichoke. Artichokes are a tasty food option. To make the most of their natural health benefits, it is recommended that you use artichoke leaves in an infusion, decoction, or macerated paste. 4. Birch. This tree is a known diuretic and used to help combat obesity, among having other diverse uses. It's ideal to brew it as an infusion, namely birch tree tea. 5. Red tea pur. When speaking of tea, the majority are believed to help contribute to weight loss, but green tea and especially red tea are the most highly recommended when it comes to weight loss. Red tea has an excellent reputation as a fat burner, which is probably why so many different weight loss diets include the consumption of 3 to 4 glasses a day. Why? Because red tea boosts your metabolism by strengthening your liver and at the same time acts as a natural purifier of your body's entire system. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is best known for its use in diets as a detoxifier, but that doesn't mean it can't play a role in your weight loss plan. Aloe vera juice is highly recommended, thanks to its digestive boosters and how it aids in cleansing your body of toxins in a short amount of time. 7. Ginseng. Ginseng, which boosts energy and metabolism, is well known as a fat burner. Siberian ginseng is the most recommended type, as it can aid in reducing cravings and provides a natural energy boost. 8. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which produces that warm and spicy character in the pepper. Once ingested, it can reduce the amount of fat cells in your blood and fat layers on your body, allowing you to drop weight quickly. 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can help boost your metabolism and regulate the sugar levels in your blood. Cinnamon also helps reduce triglycerides and cholesterol levels and helps your body metabolize glucose, which is important to help beat food cravings throughout the day. 10. Celery tea. Prepared by brewing celery in boiling water, celery tea is a great addition to your weight loss routine. It helps regulate glucose, blood pressure, and can prevent rheumatoid conditions. Also important to keep in mind is that when used, it should be the only liquid you ingest and should be consumed over a 3-day period. 11. Mint. Mint is a highly recommended herb for use in weight loss, since it can help boost your digestion, eliminates toxins and metabolic residues in the body. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.